how to withdraw money from Sweatcoin. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to talk about how to withdraw money from Sweatcoin. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. Now, Sweatcoin is a popular app that rewards you with digital coins for walking. But when it comes to actually withdrawing money, things can be a bit confusing. The truth is, Sweatcoin doesn't let you directly cash out your coins like traditional apps. Instead, the way you withdraw money is by using your Sweatcoins to redeem offers, PayPal cash deals, gift cards, or special rewards listed in the app. Sometimes, Sweatcoin partners with brands and runs limited time offers where you can exchange a certain amount of coins for real money via PayPal. But these offers are not always available and can be quite competitive. So while you can't transfer Sweatcoins directly to a bank account, you can still benefit financially if you keep an eye on those special deals and redeem them at the right time. Also, some users choose to sell their Sweatcoins to others in exchange for money through third-party methods, but that's not officially supported and can be risky. So it's better to stick with the offers available in the app. That's all for the video. If this helped you out, drop a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.